Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking wireless speakerphone. It is done by a company called eMeet and it is called Luna. Yes, this is a professional speakerphone. You can place it on your desk, and if you are in an environment that everybody's attached right now to their own home office, be in your meeting or in your classroom and something going around, you do not have to worry about sound. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family, and make sure you click the notification icon and select all in order for you to get notified once we have a new video out. If you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out ASAP. On top of that, click the like button. That way it will motivate us to make these type of videos quickly with more little in-depth information every time. Alright, you can see that the box is really nicely designed. Doesn't have much markings on the corners of it, but just the front and the back. And once we open the device itself and we look inside, everything is set up very nicely. There is a little ledge that you can open and the speaker comes off. Everything is set up in the box really good. And when you take everything off, and here are all the components that are part of this box. It comes with this nice user manual. Now in this user manual, they capture what languages they going to cover. And in going through it, it shows you exactly how you're going to be able to use it, what each of these settings means, how you will be able to connect it to your computer. So if you want to go through something like Zoom, this will help you out. And on top of that, it has voice cancellation. And here you go, you can also go to meetings. It has all of the information inside of it, how you will be able to play with this. It is very thick, and in the back there's no writing. There's a little page that will tell you about the limited warranty. All of the information is here. It also comes with this little page that is for the warranty. It's pretty cool. With this, there is a little USB dongle, that there is this manual, and this will actually tell you how you will be able to connect and use it using Windows or Mac, and it works perfectly with your devices. Now this also comes with this little wire. It is about a half a meter long, and it is the audio jack on both sides, so you can connect it to older type of devices, so you can use this as a regular speaker. And it also comes with this wire for the charging. It is USB Type-C, which is perfect, and then USB 2.0 on the other side, so you can charge pretty quick, and it is about half a meter long. Here is that little dongle. So this is for Bluetooth. You will be able to connect it to your computer, and in this way it goes paired with the actual speaker very quickly, because it has already been preset and it's very nicely set up. You can see that there are some markings right on top of the USB. Now the actual speaker looks pretty cool. You have a lot of holes, and these are all going to be for the actual speaker and mic that you're going to talk to. And you can see the buttons that are in this going around. It's pretty cool. It's not that heavy and it's not light. So you have a little lock, that way you can lock this just like a regular computer if you're going to college or to schooling. It has a little audio jack, and here is out link. There's the USB Type-C connection, so you can charge it. Now going on the bottom, you have these little legs. These are all rubber, so that way when you put it on the floor, it is not going to move. You can see that it does not move, so which is perfect. And that little USB that was coming, you can hide it. It only goes one way in, so that way you're not going to make a mistake. There you go. So now it sits inside, which is perfect. There are some little markings in the bottom that will tell you who made this, and more all in the bottom. So the buttons on this means a lot of things. From here, you will be able to turn on and off the background noise. Also, you can pick up a call or hang up. You have the volume down. You have the mic, so you can press it on mute. You can place it on mute. And then you have the plus sign, so that way you will be able to bring the volume up or volume down. And also you have the Bluetooth on or off. And then you have the power button, so you can turn it on or off. There are 4 little lights on the top, so it will show you once it's working. So if I hold it for a few seconds, there you go, now it turned on. That's how easy it is. So let's pair this with our phone and check it out. So here you go, now it is on pairing mode. And let's go to our phone, bring down the little toggle, and then we will go to our Bluetooth. So hold the Bluetooth for a few seconds. And once it comes up, we're going to search for the new devices. There you go, it's called eMeet Luna. And when you select it, It will ask you that you want to pair. You got to say yes. There you go. Now it's connected. It shows that it has 80% charge on this, which is perfect. So now let's go through and try to see if we can play sound from it first. So as usual, we always test it with our YouTube. This is pretty cool. Alright, so now we're going to test the actual voice section to show you how good it picks up our voice recording from this to our phone. That means is when you are in actual meeting or phone call, this has a little button that we can press and it will totally get rid of the background noise. Now I have some white noise to be call it, and I'm going to play that right now. And there you go. So you can hear it that it is very, very loud. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to record my voice without it first, like this. And then once I start talking, I'm going to enable the actual background noise cancellation. And then I'm going to talk to see exactly how it sounds. So going through it, here you go, is starting now. So you can see my hands. And this is how we start. So picks up my voice directly from this right now. And if I tap, you can hear that it is directly from that. So I'm sure that that will sound a little bit different than when we are talking. Now that's not the only thing. Now let me turn on the actual white noise. And there you go. So now if I press this button. So with this speaker, it is not bad to use for your regular call taking. And also if you want to use this for your Zoom meetings, it has the little USB that you can connect to your computer and it will work. I have to mention that the background noise disabler does not work for me. So it is a little bit disappointment, but again, it's a really cool device to have around your office and you can take advantage of it to make some calls, but the background disabler part of it does not function really accurately using the Bluetooth part of it. When you're connecting it to the computer, do let me know if it's going to work or not for you. But for me, it did not work. Overall, it's not bad of a speaker. It does not have bass when you want to play some music on it. Except that, I really like it. The design is nice. It has a actual connector for your computer. So this way you can go to your Zoom meetings. If you have any kind of class you want to use this, you can place it on mute. Those things work. But the rest of them for background noise cancellation does not work for me. So I hope they are hearing us and fixing it for other models that they're going to come out in the future. I'm going to leave some links in the bottom where you can order it from. And I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.